They have given billions of dollars to mental health and the homeless population. A lot of them don't want to take the programs. A lot of them don't want to get the help that is necessary. You can't give them a choice. Either you take the resources that we're going to give you, or you decide that you're going to be locked up in jail. That's the way it has to be now.
Or involuntary lethal injection or something. Just kill them.
What the fuck is going on with this country? He just promoted mass homicide on national TV. Now you wonder why so many are saying Germany. If you don't want to be called a Nazi, then have some fucking courtesy.